It's a 2013 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It comes with all the amenities you need. Bluetooth hands-free link, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, rear camera parking sensor, and refrigerated box located in the console. Of the Odyssey's interior, Popular Mechanics describes it as astonishingly comfortable, very versatile, and exceptionally high quality. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.